Alright y'all, pulling up the Channel 11 News, doing this job today. It's time to do an install. Showing you guys. Alright, so we're doing the installation. I know a lot of you guys don't know the how-tos on an install for a Sprinter van, so there's a couple of things you want to do. I put tabs wherever I'm gonna tech screw in, and then to hold it in place, to keep it steady, I still put a little tack on the end of that just to hold it in place and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that on these. As you can see, I got them already tech screwed in here, welded on, and we're just gonna weld on a little tack face. You gotta weld it properly because it's a real thin, so you gotta just kind of pulse it. Just give it the extra support that you need. Like that, and that's it, guys. That's all we do. Once you get that done, you see it's pretty stable, not going anywhere, absolutely nowhere. Visionary hands, everybody. Getting it in. This is a complete install right now for the Sprinter van for Channel 11 News. Alright. A lot of hard work put into this and finally done. Alright. Loving it. Plenty of space for these guys. Y'all know. Channel 11 News, we're here, we're getting in. Visionary hands, DC, checking in with you. You know what it is.